Hello everyone, my name is Margot and today I'm gonna show you how I make my stickers. So first I start by drawing the sticker design and then I'm gonna turn off the background layer and create a new one that we're gonna call outline, and this is where we're gonna paint. Then on our line art layer we're gonna go on selection tool, using it on automatic. Click outside our design and then on invert to select it all back. Going back to our outline layer, we're going to choose the color we want it to be and then use a really big brush to just color all over it. Then in adjustments we're going to use Gaussian blur. Click on the white part and drag it. I usually go around 10%, it's going to be the thickness of our outline. And using the selection tool, I'm doing the same and go around 99%. Using a really big brush as before, we're gonna paint it all again. Now I'm gonna take our outline layer and put it in the back, but we can see that it's quite pixelated and we do not want that. So after fixing the holes, we're gonna paint it all over it. The steps we did before were just here as a guideline, so it's the same thickness all around it, and we're done. I hope it helps. Bye!